Hello beautiful people, how are you doing today? Hope you are doing great and you are in best of your health. So today our topic is in school for elders is beauty experts. How come this idea came to my mind, right? We all says there are grandma secrets, dadi ma ke nuske, right? I'll just start today with one incident which happened yesterday only. So this idea came to my mind suddenly. Yesterday when I was talking to my mother, she said, why you people run through these wooden toothbrush and this that. I had an uncle, her mamu, maternal uncle. She said he always used to use Margosa dental stick, which we call neem ki datun, right? So she said he always used to use Margosa dental stick, and he always used to put oil in his hair every day. Either it's coconut oil, either it's mustard oil, or either it's olive oil, any oil, but any natural oil, right? And pure oil. So she said her hair were black till his last breath. Her I'm sorry, his hair were black till his last breath, and his beard was also black till his last breath. And even he never visited a dentist, and he was having his own teeth. And he said he was our eldest maternal uncle, and still he was he used to look very good by all these natural remedies. You know what, that's how this idea came to my mind. There are so many visionary souls, those who are knowing so many secrets about nature, right? We don't need to visit, and we don't need to spend anything heavily on any other treatment, on any other medical assistance, right? Because, and she said, she added further that nature has given us so many gifts. It's just we are not utilizing it properly, and then we are just blaming everything. That this is the lifestyle. We are not gonna change our lifestyle. However, we keep on complaining, right? So this just clicked to my mind. Why can't we have school for elders, beauty experts? There might be so many. Your grandmothers, your mothers, those who are knowing so many beauty secrets. Whenever we visit any professional for beauty treatment, what they do to your skin, they give you instant glow, right? Instantly your skin will start glowing, and it's for short term. You know, the things which comes faster, it goes faster. The things which take time, it will stay forever. So home remedies are natural. Maybe they are not giving you instant glow or instant benefits immediately, but later on in the longer run, slowly, gradually, your body will keep on changing. I will just take a small example here. Suppose if you start drinking water from copper vessel, right? Just one day, would it affect? Okay, for one month, definitely yes. Here I just want to quote an example. On one more example I would like to add. By running one day in a month will not let you lose any weight, right? And by eating just one pizza in a month will not let you gain any weight. So same goes for everything. So if you like we have discussed about neuroplasticity and law of hypnotic rhythm in our last video, so same goes for everything. That suppose if we are making it a practice, if we are doing it every day, then definitely yes, we are gonna make change, and your beauty will get enhanced. However, instantly, if once you will do and you feel that your results should be lasting, that will be by God's grace, it's possible. I'm not saying nothing is impossible. However, it's quite challenging, all right? So I would have definitely visited old age homes, but right now we are under lockdown. So I am just reaching you people through videos so that we can do something for school for elders, because I'm highly motivated and I really want to do something. I would have gone out and I would have met people, and I would have done the surveys that what they wanted to become and how schools should look like as per them, like we used to do for kids, that what kids like, how they wanted to design their classrooms. Same way I just wanted to visit these old age homes, and I just want to talk to those elders how those schools would look like, how the walls should be, and how they want it, because they are gonna study there, they are gonna learn there, so how the environment and culture should be. So I'm sure it will get fulfilled and we will overcome this. It is all about energies and vibrations. I will discuss in my next video about the book also, through which I will help you out in normalizing and keeping your vibrations high always. So, School for Elderly People, please keep on sharing. It's a humble request. I am highly grateful all those who are watching my videos and commenting also and contributing also. They wanted their parents to pursue their passions, and they knew that they have chosen these professions for financial and monetary gains because they wanted to support the family, and they have always chosen the secure financial mode, which is obviously acceptable. Any sane person would do that, right? So definitely now it's time. You all are grown up, you can always work it up for your parents, right? So we'll see you till the next video, and keep on sharing till we will form a very strong and positive tribe for us, right? So School for Elders, bye bye, see you, take care till the next video.